पर्पल फेस्टाचो आयज दुसरो दीस खासा समतेच्या व्यक्तीं खातीर पयलेच फावट अशे तरेच्या खास उत्सवाचें आयोजन केलां. देशभरांतल्यान सुमार 3 ते 3.5 हजार खासा समतेच्या लोकांनी हातूंत वांटो घेतला. गोंय सरकारान बरे तरेन ह्या उत्सवाचें आयोजन केल्ल्यान खासा समतेच्या लोकांनी समाधान उक्तायलां. हो महोत्सव म्हळ्यार खासा क्षमतेच्या व्यक्तींक समाजाच्या मुख्य प्रवाहांत हाडपाचो यत्न आसा. पळयात पर्पल फेस्टाची कांय खीण चित्रां.
Yeah, it's a big event, first of the kind of event in India, organized by Goa government, and we expected how it will be there. A lot of people are coming there, more than 3,000 people, how they are going to organize. But so far it's going very good. They made very good arrangements, though some things are still under progress. It's a very good initiative from Goa government. Like people like us, disabled people, they feel we have to go out to enjoy with all the same community. Now it's a good place to meet all the people of our own community and with our friends and colleagues everywhere. It became an interesting day here. The 3 days of event in Goa will be much jubilant for us. This will be a starting point for all the states and Indian government also to take it forward, to conduct this kind of festivals, to bring people inclusive everywhere. So then they will feel that the world is inclusive for everyone, and all the disabled people can come out and be very bold and do a lot of things.
I feel beautiful. This painting is very attractive. All this is my painting. This abstract painting, landscape paper mache leaves, dot box, and these bowls. This is the leaves what I have done.
बरें दिसता. म्हणल्यार आमच्या सारक्या भुरग्यांक खूब हेल्प करता तेच्या खातीर. मेहंदी काडपाक, ड्रॉइंग करपाक, पेंटिंग करपाक.
This is a great initiative which is taken by the government, and this will help a lot, and this will create a awareness into the general public as well about the people who are with special needs. So I think it's a great initiative, and this type of events government should do often.